Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katie, where we do clean with me, sit down videos, grocery hauls, all sorts of videos like that. But in today's video, we are actually going to do like a cook with me, but really you're going to be cooking with my husband. I'm just going to be behind the camera. We are making chili dogs on French bread. So we're going to use leftover Skyline chili for the recipe. I'm sure you can use any chili. I will try and remember to leave the recipe down below. I'll have him send it to me so you guys can do that. But I'm just gonna, he's gonna do it all. I'm not sure if there's gonna be any talking. We'll see. But he's kind of camera shy. But I just figured we've never had this before and we're using our leftovers in a different way than we've used before. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your chili, hot dogs, and French bread. Are the main ingredients, I believe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let him do it. He's nervous. I didn't give him any warning. Salt, lemon juice, mustard, garlic, and sour cream. I will have this linked below for you guys while So we are not following the recipe to a T just because we don't have the room on the French bread to layer it like a lasagna. We think the people in the recipe went to a bakery and got like a big loaf. But you guys can do it however you would like. The sauce he made in the beginning goes on top of the chili cheese dog. Normally with jalapenos. Do we have leftover onion? Did we bring that home? So we'll put our onion on it, and then do we have the beans still? Well, we're gonna do the beans too. We're gonna make it like Skyline 20 way. If you guys are familiar with Skyline chili, Cincinnati, that chili, that's basically that is what we're using. Jason just made it homemade. He found a copycat recipe when we went to Orlando a couple years ago. I fell in love with the Skyline chili because we went to the actual restaurant, loved it, and it's one of our favorites in the house to make. But if you guys want to follow the recipe to a T, I'll definitely have it linked below. I will show you what it looks like when we pull it out. I was snacking on some bread video, I apologize, but I'm excited, so I'm just, sounds good. Oh, and the sauce that he made in the beginning, we did try it. It's only me and him eating it, so I don't really feel too bad for trying it, but it was pretty good. If you guys, I'm sure you don't have to put the sauce on if you don't want to, but we're following the recipe with the sauce and stuff, so yeah, I will let you know what it looks like, how it tastes when we pull it out, and do it our way. Like, we're doing it our way, so like we're tweaking the recipe a little bit. He just found the recipe on Facebook because we only have the one layer, but this is what the finished product looks like. It looks very good. Probably doesn't look appetizing to you guys, but it smells good and it looks good, and we're gonna try it and we're gonna eat it, and then I will let you know what we think about it afterward. And Jason's putting oregano on it.
Just for color. Just
for color, because there's not enough color on there for this video, so it's kind of nice to like see myself on a more well thought out video. Not that my vlogs aren't well thought out, but anyways, I'm gonna just, that's what it looks like. Am I turning into a food channel? I don't know. I like to try Skyline on the bread. I'm gonna take another bite and get some hot dog. I like it. That's good. When I first saw, when Jason sent it to me, I thought it was pizza, like a Skyline chili hot dog pizza type thing. But it's good. I like it. We probably will definitely, when we have Skyline again, do this for the leftovers. If you guys try this recipe, please let me know. Again, you can use whatever chili you want. Do it how any way you want. You don't have to follow the way we did it. Follow the recipe to a T if you would like. But please just let us know if you try it out and what your thoughts are. But I think Jason likes it. He's chowing down. And I really like it. We're actually going to go ahead and end the video here so we can eat, watch our show, relax. But go ahead and check out my vlog.